Packing details. Quick start guides. The antenna. This is the power supply. Product details. This QR code is used for adding the device to the app. Insert the micro SIM card. Please pay attention to the direction of the SIM card. The antenna installation. Connect the antenna. Connect to the power. The SIG light is turned on. Press the SW key to turn on the lamp. Make sure the SIG light is flashing before sending a text message command. Turn on and off the lamp using the WLTE app. Make sure the SIG light is flashing before sending a text message command. Send the turn on command, SN0000 on. Make a phone call to turn off the light with the controller. The relay output can be connected to an AC contactor. When the AC contactor is connected, the input status also changes. Turn on all. Turn off all. Demo of power outage alert. You will immediately receive notifications from the app, SMS, and email when the device loses power. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app. Display of wiring interface parameters. Power interface. 485 interface. Analog input. Digital input. Relay output. PT100 transmitter wiring diagram. Change analog input name. Change the name to PT100. Set analog input parameters. Fill in the sensor's unit, degrees Celsius, sensor maximum value, 200, sensor minimum value, -50. Refresh the app to get new data. Long press to enter analog input settings. Add analog input linkage. When temperature is below 25 degrees Celsius, turn on channel 1. When temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius, turn off channel 1. Take out cold water and hot water and immerse the PT100 transmitter probe into the cold water. Low temperature trigger, relay 1 automatically turns on. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app. Place the PT100 into hot water. Temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius, relay 1 turns to off. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app.